Good morning everybody. I am Shobana. In this video I presented by speed control of induction motor. First we have to see about flow of presentation. What is the speed control? Requirement of speed control. Type of method of control of induction motor. Advantage and disadvantage. First, what is the speed control? The speed control of induction motor is practically a constant speed motor. That means the entire loading range will change in speed of the motor is quite small. Speed of a DC shunt motor can be varied with good efficiency. But in case of induction motor, speed is reduced, is accompanied by corresponding loss of efficiency and poor power factor. As induction motors are widely being used, their speed control may be required in many applications. Various methods of controlling of speed of induction motor can be visualized by the equation. Ns is equal to 1 minus S into Ns. Rotating magnetic field with constant magnitude is produced rotating with the speed. Ns is equal to 120 F by P. F is frequency, P is number of poles, Ns is synchronous speed. Then requirement of speed control. Speed control means change the drive speed as desired by the process to maintain different process parameter at different load. Energy saving. Speed control is different concept from speed regulation where there is in a neutral change in speed due to change on the load on the shaft. Speed control either done is manually by the operation or by the means of some automatic control drives. Low speed starts. These all are in very need to speed control of induction motor. Method of speed control of induction motor. Stator voltage control, stator frequency control, stator current control. VF control means variable frequency control. Stator resistance control. First, stator voltage control. Stator voltage control is used to control the speed of an induction motor. The speed of three-phase induction motor can be varied by varying the supply frequency. We already know that torque developed is proportional to the square of the supply voltage and the slip at the maximum torque is independent of the supply voltage. The variation in the supply voltage does not alter the synchronous speed of the motor. Then the characteristic. Torque speed characteristics of the three-phase induction motor for varying the supply frequency. Then by varying the supply voltage, the speed can be controlled. The voltage is varied until the torque required by the load is developed at the desired voltage. The torque developed is proportional to the square of the supply voltage and the current is proportional to the voltage. To reduce the speed for the same value of the same current, the value of the voltage is reduced and the torque developed by the motor is reduced. The stator voltage control method is suitable for the application where the load torque increase with the speed. For the example in the fan load. Then variable terminal voltage control of the speed control of induction motor. The characteristics. Torque speed characteristics of the three-phase induction motor by varying the supply voltage. Then stator frequency control method. The characteristics is given. Stator frequency control means expression for the synchronous motor indicates that by changing the stator frequency also it can be changed. This can be achieved by using power electronic circuit called inverter which convert DC to AC for desired frequency. Torque to speed characteristics of the induction motor in three-phase induction motor. By changing the frequency, we can control the speed of above and below the rated speed. The below characteristics is given. Constant flux, torque versus frequency curves. Then stator current control method. Starting torque of induction motor TS is proportional to the square of the stator current. It is dependent of supply of frequency. It is dependent of the rotor resistance. A constant current of three-phase induction motor can be obtained three-phase current source inverter. Inverters is convert of the DC voltage as constant current source. Current source inverter is regulated the output frequency of the induction motor. These all are stator current control of the speed control of induction motor. Then how to speed control using VFD. VFD means variable frequency drive is to controlled by using different components. One is rectifier, another one is DC buses and IGBT. IGBT means insulated gate bipolar transistor. First, rectifier. Rectifier uses in VFD controller in convert AC to DC process. DC buses. DC output power flow through DC link to inverter input. IGBT. The insulated gate bipolar transistor is a common choice of VFD controller. The IGBT through use control method name is pulse width modulation, PWM. Then VF control. VF control means variable frequency control. Variable frequency control is only controlled that several motors runs from the single VFD in case of all motors start and stop at the same time and a flow of same speed reference. VF has some limitation. For example, with VF there is no guarantee the motor shaft is rotating. The characteristics is given the two characteristics is given for the VF control. One is constant current VF pattern, another one is variable torque VF pattern. Then the advantage and disadvantage of speed control of induction motor. First advantage, easy speed control. Maintenance is less. AC motor is less expensive. Provide low speed starting facilities. Save energy. Reduced thermal and mechanical stress. Then disadvantage of speed control of induction motor. Power converter for AC motors are more complicated. Power converter for AC motors are more expensive. Generate harmonic or disturbance. I conclude the speed control of induction motor. In case of screw gauge induction motor, the slip can be increased above certain limit. The operating speed range is very less. The speed control of induction motor is a constant speed motor. That means entire loading range will change. The speed of the induction motor is very small. Speed of the DC shunt motor can be varied with good efficiency. In case of induction motor, speed is reduced. The corresponding losses of efficiency and poor power factor. As induction motors are widely being used, the speed control may be used in many applications. By applying the variable frequency control, we can get the large operating range by keeping the variable frequency ratio constant. The variable frequency ratio is only controlled the several motor runs from the single variable frequency drives. In such case of all motors start and stop at the same time. Flow of the same speed reference. VF is some limitation is given. Thank you.